Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to enable 3 finger swiping down screenshot in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. Suppose in your phone 3 finger screenshot is not working in your phone, then what you have to do? Just follow this video. In my case, with 3 fingers I swipe down on the screen and it's not working, it's not taking screenshot. So to enable 3 finger screenshot, what you got to do is just go to the settings of your phone here, then go to shortcuts and accessibility, go to shortcuts and accessibility here, then go to S capture, and here you will have gesture screenshot option. Just turn on this button so that you will have now 3 finger screenshot. With 3 fingers now swipe down along the screen and screenshot will be taken. Yes, taken. I also check in the in various screen, like the screen I check. Yes, it's working, and I open Play Store and I am taking a screenshot with 3 fingers. Yes, it's working. So in this way you can easily enable 3 fingers swiping down screenshot if it's not working in your phone. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.